Hello students, welcome to the next video of mathematics class. Today we are going to discuss relation. So before starting, first we start Brahmana. शांति 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 सुस्थम. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, relation. So last class we are already discussed what is a Cartesian product and its definition, example. Okay, you know Cartesian product of two set means collection of order pair a comma b, whereas A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B, and its Cartesian product of A and B is denoted by A cross B. That means A cross B is equal to set of order pair A comma B, whereas A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. So the number of elements of A cross B is equal to number of element of A multiplied number of element of B. A cross B, in generally A cross B is not equal to B cross A, but if A is equal to B, then A cross B is equal to B cross A. A cross B is equal to phi if either A is equal to phi or B is equal to phi. Okay. So if A and B are finite set, then A cross B is finite. If one of A and B is infinite set, then A cross B is also infinite set. Okay. Then A cross B ro cardinality is equal to B cross A ro cardinality, whereas A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Like that, the Cartesian product of three sets A, B, C is denoted by A cross B cross C. It is also represented A cross bracket B cross C, and it is also represented A cross B bracket cross C. And the number of element of A cross B cross C is equal to number of element of A into number of element of B into number of element of C. Okay. So all are discussed in the last class, but today we will discuss what do we mean by relation. So relation means suppose two elements x and y are related. So x related to y, this can be represented x comma y open bracket order pair x comma y belongs to R. What is R? Here R is a relation, or x related to y. Now we write these things. Two elements, suppose two elements x and y related x related to y. This can be denoted x comma y belongs to R. What is R? Here R is a relation. X related to y means x comma y belongs to R, or x relation y. Okay. So by taking example we can understand. Okay. So for example, let A is equal to Bhubaneswar, Lucknow, Mumbai, Chennai, Patna. Okay. We take it 5 elements of set A, and B set equal to Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, Odisha. So here how many element in set A? There are 5 element. How many element B? There are also 5 element. So in A set these are the capital of states, capital of some states, okay, in India, and B set is the name of state, name of the state in India. So here A cross B, A cross B. So A cross B contain how many order pairs? So naturally the number of order pair of A cross B is equal to number of element of A into number of element of B. So number of element of A is equal to 5, number of element of B is also 5. So A cross B contains 25 order pairs. जेहेतु ए सेट रे 5टा एलिमेंट अच्छी, बी सेट रे 5टा एलिमेंट अच्छी, ए क्रॉस बी रे केतरा ऑर्डर पेयर आसीयो माने यू कैन टेक नंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर पेयर इज 25. ओके, अच्छा, नाउ वी फाइंड सम ऑर्डर पेयर्स सच दैट फाइंड सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर पेयर्स, सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर पेयर्स, all possible order pairs A comma B such that A is capital, A is capital of B. So what is order pair? The order pair is A comma B. Here A related to B means A is capital of B, A is capital of B. We find such order pairs A comma B, that means A is capital of B, where A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. So what are the order pairs here? So naturally Bhubaneswar is a capital of Odisha. So Bhubaneswar, Odisha, this is one order pair. Next Lucknow is a capital of Uttar Pradesh, then order pair Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Then Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Patna, Bihar. Okay. So these are the possible order pairs whereas A is a capital of B. Suppose this set is R. Answer. Let capital R be the set of order pairs, be the set of order pairs A comma B such that A is capital of B. Okay. So here R is equal to Bhubaneswar, Odisha, next Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, Mumbai, Maharashtra, then Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Patna, Bihar, Patna, Bihar. Okay. So these are order pairs which are the must be subset of A cross B, because in each order pair the first component belongs to A set and the second component are present in B set. So clearly R is the subset of A cross B, because in A cross B containing 25 order pairs. So this is one set and that set must be subset of A cross B. Okay. So this here A Bhubaneswar is a capital of Odisha. That means here R is the capital. R is the capital relation. So next we take another example. देखो ये जो रिलेशन ये जो जी ऑर्डर पेयर फॉर्मेशन है सब ऑर्डर पेयर फास्ट कंपोनेंटा सेकेंड कंपोनेंट कौन अच्छे कैपिटल अच्छे. सो इज डेफिनेटली दिस आर इज द कैपिटल रिलेशन. definitely we say R is the capital relation. Okay, and that R is a subset of A cross B. Yet this set must be subset of A cross B. Okay, next we take another example. So let A is equal to Rama, Lakshmana, Sita, Janaka, Dasharatha, and B set is also A. It is A set. This element contains B is also A set. Find set of order pairs x comma y such that x is the father of y. So x is the father of y means here what are the order pairs are possible in that set. So naturally Rama, देखो जदि आम एक्सट्रा राम नेबा, राम इज नॉट फादर ऑफ एनी वन एलिमेंट. सो एक्स इज राम व्हिच इज नॉट पॉसिबल means if we take x is equal to Lakshmana, then Lakshmana is not father of any one element in that set. Okay, if we take x is equal to Dasharatha, then what happen? Dasharatha is father of Rama. तेणु दशरथ पाई राम हम, दशरथ लक्ष्मण हम नहीं. Then Janaka Sita. Janaka is a father of Sita. So naturally R is equal to answer. Here R is equal to, let R is equal to set of order pairs A comma B or x comma y. Suppose this set of order pairs is R x comma y, so that x is a father of y. Okay, so here R is equal to Ram comma Dasharatha, sorry, Dasharatha Rama, not Rama Dasharatha, Dasharatha Rama, then Dasharatha Lakshman, Dasharatha Lakshman, then Janaka Sita. Janaka Sita. Okay. So here R is the which relation? Fatherhood relation. Because in every order pair the first component is father of second component in that present set. So here R we definitely say R is the fatherhood relation, and that relation must be subset of A cross B, because in that set A containing 5 element, B set is also contain 5 element. The number of A cross B is equal to number of order pairs, means 25 order pairs are there, and this order pair must be subset of A cross B. So here R is the subset of A cross B, and which is fatherhood relation. Suppose if we ask find the set of order pairs x comma y, so that x is a brother of y. X is a brother of y. In such case, what are the order pairs? So Rama Lakshman, then Lakshmana Rama. So there are only 2 order pairs are possible, Rama Lakshmana Lakshmana Rama. If we ask the set of order pairs x comma y, so that x is a daughter of y. So x is a daughter of y means here only one order pair is possible, that is Sita, Janaka. If we ask x is a set of order pair x comma y, so that x is a son of y, x ta jodi son of y hobo kon hobo sedi Rama Dasharatha hobo और लक्ष्मण दशरथ हम है. अच्छा, सो देर आर 2 order pairs are possible. So this set here, this is R is the father relation. If x Rama Lakshmana Rama, then this relation is a brother relation. Okay. Next we take another example. Example 3. Suppose let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B set is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find set of order pairs x comma y, so that x plus y x plus y is divisible by 2. X plus y is divisible by 2, whereas x belongs to A set and y belongs to B set. So here we take this set is set of order pair is R. Answer, if we take this set of order pair is R, so R is equal to set of order pair x comma y, so that x plus y is divisible by 2, means x plus y is even. X plus y is even. So here R is equal to, what are the order pair? If we take x is equal to 1, for x is equal to 1, what will be y? तो x जो 1 हम y कौन हम 2 हो पार कि 1 2, the order pair 1 2 is not happen because 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 is not even number, 3 is not divisible by 2. तो 1 3 1 2 हो पार 1 3 हम 1 3 हम 1 4 हेनी 1 5 हम, then 2 2 order pair 2 2 possible, 2 3 not possible, 2 4 हो पार, then 2 5 हेनी 3 रो 3 3 हम 3 5 हम, जदि आम एक्सट्रा 4 नेबा वाईटा कौन हम 4 पाई 4 2 हम 4 4 हम नहीं कि, अच्छा जो एक्सट्रा आम 5 नेबा बोले कौन हम 5 2 हम, तो 5 2 देन 5 5 हम. Okay, so there are how many order pairs are possible? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There are 10 order pairs are possible. So in that order pairs, what is the relation between 1 and 3 and 1 and 5? So naturally we say sum of two numbers is divisible by 2. So here R is the relation, that means sum of two numbers is divisible by 2. Okay, so in the above example we clarify that in first example R is the capital relation from A to B. In second example R is a father relation from A to B. In third one R is the sum of two numbers is divisible by 2. Sum of two numbers is divisible by 2. So R must be subset of A cross B. R must be subset of A cross B. So here R is a relation. R is a, in example 3 R is a relation. Which type of relation? This relation is the sum of two numbers is divisible by 2. Here in example 2 R2, in example 2 R is the father relation from A to B. In example 1 R is the capital relation from A to B. So R must be subset of A cross B. That means, what do you mean by relation? If A and B are two non-empty set, if R is a relation from A to B, then R must be subset of A cross B. R must be subset of A cross B. So subset of A cross B is a relation. Subset of A cross B is a relation. Okay. Now we take another example also. Suppose if we take A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and B is equal to 3 5 6 7. Then if we take another example, that is by help of example we can understand what we mean by relation. What do we mean by relation and how many relations are possible from set A to B. In example 4, suppose let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and B is equal to 3 4 5 7. Okay. Find set of order pairs. Find set of order pairs A comma B such that A plus B is greater than 12. is greater than 12, where A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. A plus B is greater than 12. So, answer. Suppose R is a set of order pairs A comma B such that A plus B is greater than 12, where A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. So, what are the order pairs are here? देखो sum of two numbers is greater than 12 means जो A डामे 1 नेबा 1 plus 3 के तो उसी 4 उसी 4 टा कौन 12 बड़ा उसी की sum टा 12 बड़ा है बा दरकार बड़ा ले हमें order pair टा लिखिया. So देखो 1 सहित there is no order pairs, there is no element in set B, so that the order pair, in that order pair sum of two numbers is greater than 12. जदि एट आम 1 ने बी टा 7 ने कौन हो 1 plus 7 8 है 8 कौन 12 ग्रेटर हम कि ना जदि आम एटा 5 ने 5 plus 7 कौन हो 12 है ना कि आमको दरकार ग्रेटर देन 12 दरकार. सो देर इज नो ऑर्डर पेयर्स फ्रॉम A to B such that sum of two numbers is greater than 2. So how many order pairs are there? No order pairs, means that set must be null set. So this is a null set. Here R is equal to 5, and this 5 is also set. That set contains set of order pairs such that sum of two elements is greater than 12. Is greater than 12, and this one is also subset of A cross B. Is the subset of A cross B. So phi is also relation from A to B. Phi is also relation from A to B, and this relation is known as empty relation. जदि ए प्रकार ऑर्डर पेटा आम पचार ऑर्डर पेर किसी ऑर्डर पेर आसोनी सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर पेर पचार जोटा कि A plus B ग्रेटर देन 12 पचार कि ग्रेटर देन 13 पचार. So there are no order pairs as possible. That set is a phi. So phi is also relation. Phi is also relation. What is relation? Relation must be sum of two numbers is greater than 12 in that set. So phi is also a relation from A to B because phi is a subset of A cross B. Suppose if we ask let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 and B is equal to 3 4 5 7, find the set of order pair A comma B such that set of order pair A comma B such that A plus B greater than less than 12. Less than 12 to less है दरकार, where A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. So here all order pairs are possible. 1 3 above, 1 4 above, 1 5 above, 1 7 above, 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 7, 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 7, 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 7, 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 7. So means the number of order pairs is 5 into 4, so 20 order pairs are possible. So here R is equal to set of order pairs, all order pairs are there, means there are 20 order pairs are there in that set, and that set must be A cross B. That set must be A cross B. जदि तुमको पचार राइट दि सेट ऑफ ऑर्डर पेयर्स A comma B सच दैट A plus B लेस देन 12 पचारा माने सबू ऑर्डर पेयर्स गुड़ पॉसिबल हम सबू ऑर्डर पेयर्स पॉसिबल हम माने सेटा कौन हम टोटली A cross B पळेबो ना नहीं. सो हियर R is equal to A cross B. In that example R is equal to phi. So phi A cross B, these are also subset of A cross B, and that subset is known as a relation. Are you understand what do you mean by relation? So relation means collection of order pairs, and this order pair is a set. This order pair is a set. That set must be subset of A cross B. So what is relation? Let A and B are two non-empty set. If R is a relation from A to B, then R must be subset of A cross B. And the number of relation from A to B is equal to number of subset of A cross B. Number of subset of A cross B, you know the number of subset of A cross B is equal to 2 to the power m into n, whereas A is equal to m and B is equal to n. जदि गोटे सेट रे A set मनकर m element अच्छी, B set n element अच्छी, what will be number of relation are possible? Each subset is a relation. So the number of relation is equal to number of subset of A cross B. and this will be 2 to the power mn. Which one is the smallest relation? Phi is the smallest relation. Why? Because phi is the smallest subset. A cross B is the biggest relation. Why A cross B is the biggest relation? Because A cross B is the biggest subset of A cross B. Are you understand? Which one is the biggest relation from A to B? A cross B is the biggest relation. Why? Which one is the smallest relation? Phi is the smallest relation. So every subset is a relation, and the number of relation from A to B is equal to number of subset of A cross B. Okay? Are you understand? I hope that all are understand. Now we write these things. We write all these things. Relation definition. Okay. Let A and B are two non-empty sets. If R is a relation from A to B, then R must be subset of A cross B. That is, each subset of A cross B is a relation. Each subset of A cross B is a relation from A to B. If mod A is equal to M, mod B is equal to N, then number of relation from A to B is equal to number of subset of A cross B. And you know number of subset is equal to 2 to the power mn. That's why the number of relation is 2 to the power mn. Phi is the smallest relation. Why? Because phi is the smallest subset of A cross B. A cross B is the biggest relation from A to B. Why? Because A cross B is the biggest subset of A cross B. If R is a relation from B to A, then R must be subset of B cross A. And the number of relation from B to A is equal to number of subset of B cross A. And this is also 2 to the power n into m. Okay, 2 to the power n into m, which is also equal to 2 to the power mn. Okay. Next, we go to what is the domain and range and the inverse relation. So, what do you mean by domain and what do you mean by range and what do you mean by inverse relation? Now we discuss here. Let R be a relation from A to B. The domain of R is denoted by DOM of R, domain of R, or D of R, domain of R. Okay, where domain of R equal to set of element X such that the order pair X comma Y belongs to R. So the order pair X comma Y belongs to R अछि, तब X element set of all the first component of each order pair is known as domain of that relation. तेणु गोटे relation domain माने से relation रे जते सबसेट थिबो सबु सबसेट रो फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट को कलेक्शन करियो. The set of first component of each order pairs in that relation is known as the domain of the relation. Okay. And clearly this set of order pair X comma Y belongs to R means the X belongs to A set. So the domain must be subset of A set. So the domain of relation R must be subset of A set. If R is a relation from A to B, then domain means a collection of the first component is known as a domain, and the first component must be present in A set. That means the domain of that relation must be subset of A set. Okay. Next, range. The range of relation, range of relation R is denoted by RNG, range of R, where RNG, range of R is equal to collection of the second component, that is Y, such that X comma Y belongs to R. If the order pair X comma Y belongs to R, then Y, the set of second component collection of all the second component of each order pair is known as a range, and the range must be subset of B set. तो domain टा सब A रो subset होबो आउ range रा B set रो subset होबो. Okay. Now inverse relation. The inverse of relation capital R is denoted by is the inverse of relation denoted by R inverse. What is R inverse? R upper -1. This is the symbol of inverse. R inverse is the inverse relation of R, where R inverse is equal to set of order pair y comma x such that x comma y belongs to R. जदि order pair x comma y belongs to R अच्छी तेबे y comma x टा order pair टा को interchange करिया. Now the collection of order pairs which is the interchange of x to y is known as the inverse relation, and R inverse is the set of y comma x. So y, if order pair x comma y is a subset of A cross B, means order pair x y belongs to कौन A cross B, y comma x belongs to B cross A. So collection of all order pair y comma x belongs to A cross A means R inverse must be subset of B cross A. It is a subset of B cross A. Remember this one. If R is a relation from A to B, then R must be subset of A cross B. Since R inverse is the collection of reverse order pair, it must be subset of B cross A. That's why R inverse is a relation from A to B. Sorry, R inverse is a relation from B to A. If R is a relation from A to B, then R inverse is a relation from B to A. Are you understand? Okay, so these are the domain, and this is a range, and this is known as a inverse relation. Okay, so in one relation, first you have to find the relation and what is the domain and what is the range and what is the inverse relation. So all are find in the given problems easily. Okay, then gote relation पचार से relation domain कहते range कहते inverse कहते एमती तमें बाहर करिवो. Okay, now we take it example. So let A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, B set equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Find R subset of A cross B defined by R is equal to set of order pair x comma y. Okay, such that x divides y, whereas x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Clearly R is a subset of A cross B, means R must be in a relation from A to B. And after find the relation, what will be domain and what will be range and what will be R inverse. So we collect the order pair x comma y. Relation means we have to collect the order pair x comma y, so that what is relation between x to y? Here x divides y. What is meaning? X divides y means x is a factor of y. X is a divisor of y. That is y is divisible by x. Y is divisible by x. For example, 2 divides 10, 2 divides 4, but 2 not divides 3, means 3 not divides. 2 not divides 3 means 2 is not a factor of 3. Automatically 3 is not divisible by 2, but 4 is divisible by 2. 10 is divisible by 2. X divides y means y is divisible by x. Or we can also say that x is a factor of y. X टा y रो गुणनियक कहबा जा y टा x द्वारा विभाज्य. Y टा x द्वारा विभाज्य. That is y is divisible by x, or x is a factor, or x is a divisor of y. Okay. सो एम रिलेशन बाहर करियो जो ऑर्डर पेयर रे सेकेंड कंपोनेंट टा फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट द्वारा कौन हो डिविजिबल हो आंसर. सो हियर x comma y belongs to R means x divides y. X divides y. X divides y means that is y is divisible. y is divisible by x, also x is a factor, x is a factor of y. Okay, x is a factor of y. What is r? तो एक्सट्रा देख सपोज आम जब एक्सट्रा 2 नेबा 2 रा कार फैक्टर हम 2 रा 2 रो फैक्टर हम 2 रा 4 रो फैक्टर हम 2 6 हो पार 2 8 हो पार बिकज 8 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 6 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 4 इज डिविजिबल बाय 2 2 इज आल्सो डिविजिबल बाय 2. नेक्स्ट वी टेक इफ x is equal to 3 then what 3 6 हम नॉट 3 2 3 4 3 6 3 6 3 8 हेनी 4टा जब नब कौन हम 4टा कौन हम 4टा कार फैक्टर हम 4 4 हम 4 6 हम कि नॉट 4 8 हम देन जब एक्सट्रा 5 नेबा बेले कौन हम 5 2 हेनी 5 4 हेनी 5 6 हेनी 5 8 हेनी तो 5 रे किसी एलिमेंट आसोनी देन 6 जब नब 6 8 हम देन 6 8 सॉरी 6 6 हम 6 6 6 6 हम ओके. So here R is equal to the collection of the order pair, that is R, and what will be domain? The domain of R is equal to set of the first component. Here 2 अच्छी 2 2 2. So in a set a same element never be write repeatedly. आम repeat लिखा किसी आवश्यक नहीं. तो 2 3 4 6 हम. तो domain is 2 3 4 6. What is range? The range equal to the second component 2 4 6 8. ये domain टा 2 3 4 6 है ला. Range रा मध्य 2 4 6 8. ये domain is equal to range. Domain टा कार सबसेट होची है, ये सबसेट होची ना नहीं. Range रा B रो सबसेट होची ना नहीं. अच्छा R inverse. R inverse टा कौन होगा? ना ऑर्डर पेटा को तुम्हें कौन करे तार रिवर्स लेके उल्टे हो 2 2 हम 4 2 हम 2 6 टा कौन हम 6 2 हम 2 8 टा कौन हम 8 2 हम 3 6 टा कौन हम 6 3 हम 4 4 रिवर्स टा 4 4 हम 4 8 टा कौन हम 8 4 हम आउ 6 6 हम ओके. दिस इज R inverse and R inverse must be subset of B क्रॉस है. तेणु प्रथम R टा बाहर करियो तापर डोमेन टा बाहर करियो रेंज टा बाहर करियो इनवर्स टा बाहर करियो ओके. सो x डिवाइड्स y मीन्स y इज डिविजिबल बाय x. तेणु x y भितर जो ऑर्डर पेटा देथियो से को स्टाइल से डिफाइन करथि तार स्टाइल ला कोन से स्टाइल लागू नहीं तुम ऑर्डर पेटा लिखियो. सपोज इफ वी आस्क ऑर्डर पेर x, y सो दैट x plus y इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 x plus y इज डिविजिबल बाय 3 माने तुम डिविजिबल होतार तुम सेम दिन नबो ना नहीं कि x plus y रा 2x plus y इज ग्रेटर देन 5 माने ग्रेटर देन 5 नहीं तुम बाहर करिया पड़ियो ओके. सो गिवन कंडीशन कौन अच्छी ताकू देखि तुम और रिलेशन ना बाहर करियो सेटटा लिखला पर तापर डोमेन रेंज बाहर करियो. नेक्स्ट वी टेक अनदर एग्जांपल आल्सो. अनदर एग्जांपल दैट इज let A is equal to Z set, B is equal to Z, where Z is the set of integers. Find relation R from A to B, where R is equal to set of order pair A comma B, such that A square plus B square is equal to 25, where A belongs to Z and B is equal to Z set. So clearly A equal to set of integer means set of integer is an infinite set. So naturally A cross B must be an infinite set. That means here R is the subset of infinite set. R must be subset of infinite set. So what are the relation where these two numbers sum of squares of these two number is 25. So A square plus B square is equal to 25. So here answer R is equal to relation from A to B means A square plus B square is equal to 25. So we collect the order pair A comma B so that sum of squares of these two number is 25. कौन हम कहीं कहलो? What are the order pairs? One is 3 comma 4. Okay? 3 comma 4 हबो और 4 comma 3 भी हो पारियो. अच्छा minus 3 comma 4 4 comma minus 3 हबो. Okay. Then 3 comma minus 4 हबो. Then minus 4 comma 3. Then -3 -4 also -4 -3 मु जोड़ा लिखुची तार रिवर्सटा भी लिखुची ऑपोजिटटा भी लिखी देन आउ कौन हो पार कहीं कहल 0 5 हम ना ना 5 0 हो पार आउ कौन हम कहल अच्छा -5 0 हम 0 -5 हम आउ कौन आसो कहल आउ कौन आसो कहल सो 0 5 -5 0 आसो देख कत ऑर्डर पे आसला 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 ओके सो एक्सेप्ट दिस ऑर्डर पे no one are possible या व्यतीत आउ किसी आसो ना so these are known as R okay and what are the domain if we ask what will be domain then domain is equal to 3 4 here domain of R the kamu domain pacharni but we write domain is equal to 3 4 -3 -4 0 5 -5 domain here range is also range of R this one also domains are range that and what will be R inverse 3 4 hoche 4 3 here R inverse is equal to R inverse is equal to R because the two sets are equal if two sets are equal then R is equal to R inverse okay here R inverse madhya R ragabo so the domain is equal to range and R is equal to R inverse okay next we take another example let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 14 okay define a relation capital R from A to A here R is a relation from A to A means R must be subset of A cross A defined by R is equal to set of order pair x comma y so that 3x minus y is equal to 0 so 3x minus y is equal to 0 means y is equal to 3x where x belongs to A and y belongs to A also find domain range and inverse relation okay so here what are the order pair the order pair x comma y belongs to R means doubly implied 3x minus y is equal to 0 that implied y is equal to 3x okay so y is equal to 3x so what is R if we take x is equal to 1 then y is equal to 3 if we take x is equal to 2 then y is equal to 6 if we take x is equal to 3 y is equal to 9 if we take x is equal to 4 then y is equal to what 12 if we take x is equal to 5 then y is equal to 15 but 15 y equal to 15 but 15 does not belongs to A set x comma y belongs to A set so 5 comma 15 is never possible so the number of order pair R is equal to 4 1 2 3 4 this is only set R कहीं 5 हेल्ले 15 होची 5 15 ना रही A cross B A cross A सबसेट आसीओनी ना नहीं so R is equal to this one and its domain of R so what is the domain 1 2 3 4 and range of R is equal to what 3 6 9 12 okay here domain is 1 2 3 4 range is 3 6 9 12 and R inverse here R inverse is equal to 3 1 6 2 9 3 12 4 this is R inverse okay here R is not equal to R inverse here domain is not equal to range but in the last example domain is equal to range and R is equal to R inverse है तेणु जो रिलेशन डोमेन रेंज संगे सामान हम से केस रे तुम R इज इक्वल टू इनवर्स R इक्वल R इनवर्स हम हियर R इज नॉट इक्वल टू R इनवर्स ओके सो नेक्स्ट व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ रिलेशन फ्रॉम A to B if to R is a relation from A to B then what are the different type of relation can be defined from A to B now we discuss diagrammatically representation of relation how to represent a relation in a diagrammatically now we discuss let A is equal to A B C let A is equal to A B C B is equal to 1 2 3 are two sets consider some relations R1 is equal to A1 B3 C2. Clearly this is a subset of A cross B. So R1 is a relation from A to B. Next we take another relation R2, A1 A2 A3. This is also subset of A cross B. So clearly it is a relation. R3 A1 B1 C1. This is also subset of A cross B. So this is a relation. Then we take another relation R4, A1 A2 B1 then C2. B1 B1 and C2. Now we represent this relation in a diagrammatically. Here R1 containing the order pair A1 B3 C2. So clearly this is the subset of A cross B. So R1 is a relation from A to B. So first we take two sets in a diagram. Let it be A set, let it be B set. A containing the element A, B, C. B set हम लिखियो 1, 2, 3. Order pair A1 means A related to 1. Order pair B3 means B related to 3. Order pair C2 means C related to 2. Not 1 related to A related to 1, B related to 2, C related to 2. So these order pair represented in a arrow mark that A related to 1, B related to 3, B related to 3, then C related to 2. And clearly this is R1. This is known as R1. So this is the diagrammatically representation of the relation R1. Are you understand? Okay. Next R2. We represent the second relation. This is A set and this is B set and this is R2. Here A, B, C 1, 2, 3. In R2 A related to 1. A related to 1. B related to A related to 2. A related to 2. A related to 3 also. This is diagrammatically representation of R2. R3. Here this is A set and this is B set. A, B, C 1, 2, 3. Now this is the R3 relation. R3 containing A related to 1. A goes to 1. B related to 1. B related to 1. C related to 1. This is C related to 1. Next, R4. R4. This is A set, this is B set. A set containing A, B, C. Here this is 1, 2, 3. And this is known as R4th. So R4th containing order pair A1 means A related to 1. A2, A related to 2. B1, B related to 2. C2, C related to 2. So A related to 1, A related to 2, B related to 1, C related to 2, C related to 2, C related to 2. Suppose we take another order pair C3 means we write C3, C3, no, answer. So these are the diagrammatically representation of the relation. Okay. Next, types of relation. Types of relation. Types of relation. There are 4 types of relation. 4 types of relation from A to B. One is 1-1 relation. 1-1 relation. 1-1 relation. Number 2, one-many relation. Number 3, many-one. Number 4, many-many. Many-many. Many-many relation. So if R is a relation from A to B, then we define 4 different type of relation. One is one-one relation, one-many relation, many-one relation, many-many relation. So what is one-one relation? So one-one relation means this one is one-one relation. Why it is called one-one relation? In that relation, different element of set A related to different element in set B. तेणु जो रिलेशन रे ए सेट रो डिफरेंट एलिमेंट बी सेट रो डिफरेंट एलिमेंट सहित जो रिलेशन रखि ताको हम कहचे वन वन रिलेशन. डिफरेंट एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए related to different element in set B. Now we write these things, definition of the one-one relation. Okay, one-one relation. So different element of set A related to different element in set B. One-one relation. A relation capital R subset of A cross B is said to be one-one relation. If mathematically x comma y belongs to R and x comma z belongs to R, then y is equal to z. Then y is equal to z. For some x belongs to A. For some, not all. For some x belongs to A set, and y z belongs to B set. The second element must be present in second set, and the first element of the order pair must be present in first set A set. तेणु एक्सटा A set रहिबो, y और z टा कोन रहिबो B set रहिबो. जदि एक्स वाई ऑर्डर पेयर अच्छी एक्स जेड ऑर्डर पेयर अच्छी तेरे वाई देख एक्सटा सामान अच्छी ए ऑर्डर पेयर दीटाक ऑर्डर पेयर फास्ट कंपोनेंट सामान ना तेणु सेकेंड कंपोनेंट सामान रहा पड़ो. तेणु जो ऑर्डर पेयर फास्ट कंपोनेंट सामान थी बोले सेकेंड कंपोनेंट जदि सामान रोचे देन दैट रिलेशन इज नोन एज वन वन रिलेशन. सपोज मन कर रहा तुम 1-2 रहा 1-3 रहा एमती गोटे रिलेशन थी जो रिलेशन में 1-2 थी 1-3 थी 1 सामान अच्छी बट 2 इज इक्वल टू 3 कि 2 नॉट इक्वल टू 3. सो दिस रिलेशन नेवर बी 1-1 रिलेशन. 1-1 मीन्स डिफरेंट एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए related to different image related to different element of set B. That relation is known as a 1-1 relation. So clearly this is a 1-1 relation. Now we take in an example by diagrammatically. It is easy to understand in the diagrammatically. Then we represent in a Cartesian form. तमें diagrammatically को Cartesian form लिखि परिया बा कार्टेशियन फॉर्मटा को आम डायग्रामेटिकली आम रिप्रेजेंटेशन कर. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज वी टेक एन एग्जांपल, लेट इज ए सेट एंड दिस इज बी सेट. ए कंटेनिंग द एलिमेंट ए बी सी डी ई 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is R. We take it example 1-1 relation. Suppose A related to 1, B related to 3, C related to 2. So clearly it is a 1-1 relation. But if we take A related to 3, जदि तुम मन कर A2 नहीं जो बा A4 नहीं जो, this relation never be 1-1 relation. कहीं A related to 1 अच्छी, A related to 4, X related to Y अच्छी, X related to Z अच्छी, but Y not equal to Z. जदि Y is equal to Z हम तब हम कहबा 1-1 relation. So एटा को हम कैंसिल करिया पड़ो. A रो मार्कटा कैंसिल करले एटा तुमर हो 1-1 relation. Or you can take D related to 4, E related to 5. This is also 1-1 relation. बा तुम खाली A1 रखियो B2 रखिबो बा B3 रखियो सेटा भी 1-1 relation हो. सबु एलिमेंट सहित A सेट सबु एलिमेंट रिलेशन रखिया किछि कंपलसरी नहीं. सम एलिमेंट ऑफ A related to all element, some element of B. ओके तुम A सेट रो किछि एलिमेंट B सेट रो किछि एलिमेंट सहित रिलेशन रखिथिबो जोड़ा कि different element of set A related to different element of set B. That is known as a 1-1 relation. Okay. So clearly this is a 1-1 relation. A1, B3, C2, D4, E5. Or you can take also A1, B2. R1 is equal to एटी तुम रिलेशन लिखियो डायग्रामेटिकली कौन लिखियो A1 लिखियो B3 C2 D4 E5. Or you can take another example R2. Suppose R2 is equal to तुम नबो A1 B2. This is also 1-1 relation. Okay. And also R1 and this is equal to R2. एटा A set, एटा B set, A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A related to 1, 2, and B related to 2. This is also 1-1 relation. Okay. Next, number 2, one-many relation. Number 2, one-many. So one-many relation means one element of set A related to many element of set B. That is a relation capital R subset of A cross B is said to be one-many, is said to be one-many relation if we write mathematically x comma y belongs to R and x comma z belongs to R, then y not equal to z. Then y not equal to z for some x belongs to A set and y z belongs to B set. It कौन अच्छी x related to y, x related to z. ना नहीं y and z are different. y not equal to z. y not equal जदि y टा z संगे समान होबो से रिलेशन हम कहया 1-1 रिलेशन. जदि y not equal to z माने one element of set A related to at least two element in set B. A set रो गोटे उपादान B set जदि दीटा उपादान सहित रिलेशन रखिथिबो at least two बा तीनटा एलिमेंट सहित जदि रिलेशन रखिथियो बा चारटा एलिमेंट सहित जदि रिलेशन रखुची, that relation is known as one-many relation. x comma y belongs to R, x comma z belongs to R, then y not equal to z. y equal to z हेले 1-1 relation होबो. y not equal to z हेले then that is known as one-many relation. देखो for example one-many relation in a diagrammatically also we write in Cartesian form also. Now we take it example. Okay, so suppose we take A is equal to A, B, C, D, E and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One-many relation means one element of set A related to many element of set B. That is A related to 1, A related to 2. So clearly it is a one-many relation. If we take extra order pair, तुम A1, A2 नेले one-many हेला. जदि तुम extra order pair नबो, suppose A3 नबो, this is also one-many relation. Or you take another example, A set and this is a B set. So clearly this is R2. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Suppose A related to 1, A related to 1, A related to 2. Okay, A related to 3 and C related to 3. So clearly it is a one many relation because the element of A related to two element of set B. So clearly it is a one many relation. Okay, एटा केबे भी वन वन हे परियो नाही ना ना काहे डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट और डिस्टिंक्ट इमेज रोनी सो एटा होची वन मेनी रिलेशन दिस इज आल्सो वन मेनी रिलेशन तो दिया को हमें सेट फॉर्म लिखिबा R2 = A1 A2 C3 हियर R1 = A1 A2 A3 नेक्स्ट मेनी वन रिलेशन So many one relation means many element of set A related to one element in set B. That is known as many one relation. A relation R subset of A cross B is said to be many one relation if x comma y belongs to R or x1 comma y belongs to R and x2 okay many one x comma y belongs to R and x2 comma z belongs to R then x1 comma y belongs to R and x2 comma y belongs to R, then x1 is not equal to x2. Here x1 is not equal to x2. x1 y ए दिरा इमेज x1 इमेज y x2 इमेज y ना नहीं ए दिरा इमेज सेम अछि but x1 is not equal to x2. x1 is not equal to x2, then this is many one relation. Many one relation. Many element of set A related to only one element in set B. देखो x1 रो इमेज y माने x1 ला y संगे रिलेशन रखुची x2 ला y संगे रिलेशन रखुची y टा सेम अछि whereas x2 are different x1 not equal to x2 okay for example this is a set and this is b set suppose the a set contain a b c d e 1 2 3 4 5 now we take this is a r1 many element a related to 1 b related to 1 so clearly this is a many one relation because a1 b1 x1 y x2 y but x1 is not equal to x2 okay so if x1 is equal to x2 then it is one one relation so they dira same ho gala eta image ra same achi e dira jodi same he jo one one relation he jo e dira different hobo na nahi different hele then this is many one relation or you can take as this is many element of set A related to one element in set B. Or you take another example also. Suppose A set and B set. It is A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose A related to 1, B related to 1, C related to 1, D related to 1, and E related to 5. Clearly, this is also many one relation. Many one relation. Okay. So next many relation. Many relation. A relation capital R from A to B is said to be many relation if R is both one many and many one. If R is both one many and many one, then that relation is known as a many relation. तेणु जो रिलेशन वन मेनी मेनी वन हम ताको हम कहबा मेनी रिलेशन. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज दिस इज ए सेट एंड दिस इज ए बी सेट. एटा ए सेट बी सेट कंटेनिंग द एलिमेंट ए बी सी डी ई 1 2 3 4 5. देखो आम करदा वन मेनी फास्ट करदबा वन मेनी ए रिलेटेड टू 2 ए रिलेटेड टू 3 बा ए रिलेटेड टू 4 है. दिस इज वन मेनी रिलेशन. बर्तमान मुझे मेनी वन कर दूची देख ए रिलेटेड टू 2 बी रिलेटेड टू 2 ए रिलेटेड टू 2 बी रिलेटेड टू 2. सो यहाँ वन मेनी है कौन पाई ना A2 A3 A4 गोटे एलिमेंट तीन टाइम इमेज रहा वन मेनी है. मेनी वन है कौन पाई A2 अच्छी B2 अच्छी ए दीटा इमेज गोटे मान दीटा गोटे एलिमेंट सहित रिलेशन रखुची वेरेज ए नॉट इक्वल टू बी मेनी वन आउटा मैंने पारिया C1. So this is many because it contains one many one. So this is a many relation. Many relation. Okay. So in the next class we do what is the relation on a set A. Relation on set A. Thank you.